subject ES of class 3. Chapter number 14, our food. Okay. Open first of all your workbook. Have you opened, children? Yes. Open page number 112 and 113. See here on page number 112, question number 5. See here you have given two family pictures. Whose families are there? Venu's family and Rani's family. Yes or no? We have already learned the story in textbook. Now we have to differentiate it. Okay. We have to find difference in both the families and make points, and we have to write here on page number 113. Okay children. See now. On first picture what is given? What is the difference between two families? Here in Venu family, Venu's mother is cooking food and her father is brooming house. Yes or no? But in Rani's family, her mother is only working. There is nobody to help her. Okay. So in Venu's family and Rani's family, what the difference is? We will write here. In Venu's family, number 1, you have to put number 1 and write. Venu's mother is cooking food. Yes or no? You have seen in the picture. And father is brooming the house. Okay. And in Rani's family, what the difference is? Rani's mother is cooking food. Okay. Now see here, picture number 2. All are eating together? Yes or no? In here, Rani is serving food to her brother and father. Yes? See here. Right. Number 2. Mother, father and Venu are eating food. Yes or no? All are eating together. So what we will write? Mother, father and Venu are eating food. Okay. See here now number 2. What I told you? Rani serves food. Yes or no? You saw in the picture. Rani serves food to her father and brother. Yes? Now see number 3. Third picture here. Likewise you have to see in a vertical line. See here. Venu. What Venu is doing? Riding bicycle. And her mother and father reading newspaper. Here mother and Rani is working. Rani and her mother is working and her father is reading newspaper. Okay. So here you will write Venu's father and mother are reading newspaper and Venu is riding bicycle. Yes or no? Same way here in Rani's family you will write Rani's work. Rani and her mother are working. You saw in the picture they both are working or not? So here you will write Rani and her mother are working and her father is reading newspaper. Yes or no? Okay, so you understand differentiate between Venu's family and Rani's family. What is the difference between Venu family and Rani's family? Yes or no children? Now see on page number 113, question number 6. The names of some food items are given. Add some more name to the list. Color with green around those items that we get from plants. Color with red around those items that we get from animals. See children, here I have copied down the questions. Write down the, see here. Here you have to color. Circles are given to you in front of all the items. Yes or no? Here you have to color those items which we get from plants. What color you will do? Green color. And the things and which we get from animals, you color it red color. Okay children? Now see, honey. From where we get honey children? Honey bee. So here you will do red color. Yes or no? Like this. In this circle. Like this. You have to color in such a way that you have filled this circle and your color must not be out of this circle. तुम लोगों को कलर अच्छे से करना है. तुम्हारा कलर इस सर्कल से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सी टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक क्या होता है? हल्दी है ना? वी यूज इन द किचन. फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट फ्रॉम plants. So we will do green color. Like this. Now see, number 3 is fish. Fish is an animal. So here you will do red color. Okay children. Now see, rice. Rice we get from plants. So we will do green color. Likewise you have to color all the things. Now see, next is corn. Corn क्या होता है? You know corn? What is corn? Yes? Okay. So corn is we get from plants. मकई खाते हो ना सब लोग? So we will do green color. Likewise. Understood children? Now see, milk. Milk we get from animal, cow, buffalo, yes or no? So here we will do red color. See now, lemon. Lemon we get from plants, so we will do green color. Here like this. Okay children? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Cabbage. Cabbage we get from plants. Yes or no? So we will do green color. Now see spinach. You know what is spinach? क्या होता है spinach मतलब? पालक. We get from plants. So we will do green color. Like this. Okay. Next is potato. Potato also we get from ground. So potato का एक plant होता है जो हमें, और potato कहाँ उगता है? जमीन में. तो हम इसको भी green color करेंगे. Like this. Now see ajwain. You know what is ajwain? From where we get ajwain? Tell me. From plants? Yes or no? Yes. So we will do green color. Now see what is next? Ghee. Ghee किसमें से मिलता है हमें? पता है आपको? Milk. Milk में से जो मलाई निकलती है उसको उसका फिर क्या निकलता है? मक्खन. और मक्खन का घी निकलता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो घी हमें इनडायरेक्टली और डायरेक्टली एनिमल प्रोडक्ट है. यस. सो वी विल डू रेड कलर. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ सी नेक्स्ट इज एग. फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट एग? hen, राइट? सो वी विल डू रेड कलर. Like this. Now see what is next? Meat. Meat is also an animal product. So we will do red color. Understood? Now see next is banana. From where we get banana? We get it from plants. So we will do green color to banana. Understood children? Now next is curd. Curd मतलब दही. दही किसमें से मिलता है आपको? मिल्क का. Yes or no? मिल्क में से दही बनता है. So we will do it red color. Why? Because milk is an animal product. So we will do red color. Like this. Now see what is next? Next is tomato. Tomato का plant होता है, right? So we will do green color. Onion. Onion is also a plant product. So we will do green color. Right? Then है mustard. Mustard is also a plant product. So here also we will do green color. कलर, चिल्ली का भी प्लांट होता है, सो वी विल डू ग्रीन कलर. Yes or no? Understood? Now see question number 7. First question is get hurt. Here you have to write what you use. Okay, when you get hurt, what will you use? You will use turmeric powder. Yes or no? So here you will write turmeric powder. Understood? See now next question is have a stomach ache. जब पेट में दुखता है तो क्या करते हैं हम? अजवाइन लेते हैं. So we will write अजवाइन. Next is have cough and cold. When you have cough and cold, what you will use? You will use tulsi and ginger. Okay. Next is have a toothache. When you have toothache, जब दांतों में दर्द होता है, what you will use? Clove and alum. Understood up till here? Okay. Now see on page number 115 here. Classify. Here you have to classify. See medicinal plants and decorative plants. Here you have to choose from the options and here you have to write these things. See number 1 is marigold. So marigold is medicinal plant or decorative plant? Here see decorative plant means होता है जो decoration के लिए जिसका यूज किया जाता है, और medicinal plants मतलब जो medically यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे तुलसी है तो तुलसी को हम medically यूज करते हैं. तुलसी से हम ये जब हमें cough and cold होता है तो हम तुलसी का यूज करते हैं. Yes or no? Likewise, neem होता है तो neem is also a medical plant. Likewise, you have to classify. Now see here in decorative plants. Here first number is marigold. So marigold is decorative plant. उसका कोई medical use होता है नहीं. So we will write in decorative plant. Next is basil. So where you will write basil? Basil जो है वो medically हम use करते हैं. Yes or no? So here in medicinal plant you will write basil. Now see number 3 is rose. So rose is decorative plant. घर में रखते हैं लोग ऐसे. Okay, so you will write in decorative plants. Understood? Next is money plant. Is also decorative plant. You know. So you will write in decorative plant. Next is demro. So that is medicinal plant. So we will write there. Next is periwinkle. That is decorative plant. So you will write in a decorative plant. See number next papaya. Papaya is also one type of plant. There is no medical use of it. So that is also a decorative plant. Next is night queen. Night queen also ये decorative plant. फिर है मोगरा. Mogra is also decorative plant. Adulsa. You use adulsa medically. Okay. So we will write in medicinal plants. Then है अजवाइन. अजवाइन is also a medical plant. When we have stomach ache, we will use अजवाइन. So we will write there. Okay. Next is gallo. That is also a medicinal plant. So you will write in a medicinal plant. Understood up till here? Now see on page number 116. Here children, you have to put a square in the things. These all things which we get in our kitchen. जो हम हमारे किचन में यूज करते हैं. तो जो चीजें तुमको पता है उसको तुम लोग स्क्वायर करोगे और जो चीजें तुमको पता नहीं है उसे तुम क्रॉस करोगे. व्हाट यू नो. अंडरस्टूड? सी जैगरी. जैगरी मतलब होता है गुड़. तो वो तुम लोग जानते हो तो तुम स्क्वायर करोगे. अगर तुम नहीं जानते हो तो तुम उसको क्रॉस मार्क करोगे. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? सो दैट इज योर HW. Now see here MCQ. Number 1. Who is the one that looks after each member of the family? Right from waking up in the morning till late night. So children, who is in your family from waking up till late night looking to all members of the family? That is your mother. Yes or no? So here your answer will be D. Mother. Okay. Now see, which of the following dishes is made from product obtained from animals? Shira, basundi, dosa or pawan. You know that basundi is made from milk and milk is an animal product. So here your right option will be B. Basundi. Understood? Now see number 3. Which medicinal plant is seen in almost all our houses as a potted plant? जो ज़्यादातर सबके घरों में पाया जाता है. ऐसा कौन सा मेडिसिनल प्लांट है? मनी प्लांट, रोज, बेसिल, आंवला. So which is that? That is basil. So your option is C. Basil. Understood? Now see number 4. With the juice of which plant leaf does earache get cured? When you have earache, which plant juice you will use that you will get cured of it? You will use damro. Okay. So your right option is A. See number 5. Which of the following is neither a plant nor an animal product? तुम लोगों को 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए, उसमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो एनिमल प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं है और जो तुमको प्लांट्स में से भी नहीं मिलता है? चिली. चिली इज एन प्लांट प्रोडक्ट. यस और नो? वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. फेनुग्रीक, that is also we get from plants. Then है curds, that is an animal product. And D is salt. Salt जो है वो हमें किस में से मिलता है? दरिया में से. पूरा वो salt निकाल के उसको प्योरीफाई करके फिर हमें घर पे मिलता है. अंडरस्टूड? बाजार में, मार्केट में मिलता है. So salt is not an animal product and not a plant product. So your correct option will be D, that is salt. Understood up till here? Okay children. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.